Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and I would like to introduce myself. I could do it in a lot of different ways, but I thought that a little bit of OnePlus Nord unboxing in the background won't harm. I won't talk about this one, you've probably seen a lot of in-depth reviews already, and I will go straight to a more important topic. For a long time I'm very interested in all sorts of technology, and I was spending a lot of time on YouTube watching other YouTubers talk, test, unbox, review and generally play with different tech things. That's the reason why I decided to start this YouTube channel. I want to have fun also. I don't have experience in talking for videos, in video editing, in scripting and planning videos, in making thumbnails, in testing of products and all other things you would expect from a person having this type of channel. But I'm not the first, nor I will be the last person that starts to do something before 100% mastering it. I will try to cover all the basics I need to start with making of videos for my channel and learning all other things along the way. This could be a good example for other people who would like to start with something they love, but they are not sure if they have all needed skills. I heard one quote from Richard Branson and it says, "If someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure if you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later." This is the sentence that was in my head when I was deciding to start this journey, and it's a good way to test it. On the channel I will try to cover all the things that are interesting to me, some news, explanations, tutorials and hopefully testing and reviews of real products, which could be a little bit harder at the beginning, but I believe I can reach that. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I will be interesting enough so you can continue watching my videos.